Recent outbreak and pandemic COVID-19 has affected millions in numerous ways. One of the most common changes is how it has altered jobs. The shift in the work life has impacted many workers. Some are forced to work from home, while others can't work at all.
Work gives me something to do during the summer and it gives me money, but because of coronavirus, my parents don't want me to work, so I haven't been able to get a job.
This new work style has made life more difficult for people of all ages. With the new setting, some find it hard to balance out all of their responsibilities.
I am used to going to the office, and instead of going into the office, I am now working from home. In addition to working from home and doing my usual job requirements, I'm also having to help my children out.
Even though there are a lot of downsides of working from home, people still find a way to see the silver lining.
There's a humanity that you get when you work with people that I think helps give context to what you're talking about and just helps morale overall. But that said, a lot of the tools that we're using do make things work more efficiently. I think there are things that we've learned that will make our jobs easier when we do get back to normal.
In conclusion, working from home has had many different tolls on people. There are certainly challenges, but like all difficulties, they can inspire us to be better. This has been Jojo Barnard reporting for KBTV.